Does your Digistore24 dashboard currently look like this? Most people make zero sales promoting digital products with free traffic. Don't worry, it won't stay this way for long. I'm going to give you 4 steps you need to follow along with websites and tools so that you can promote digital products the right way and actually make money. Out of these steps, step 4 is the most important step because it's the one that will get you free traffic. If you don't do it correctly, you will say that this method doesn't work. While there are many ways to get free traffic for affiliate marketing, video is one of the best ways to get high converting free traffic. But not a lot of people use it because they think it's too difficult or it takes a lot of time. But what if I told you you don't need a camera, you don't need to show your face on video, and you don't even need to use your voice if you don't have to? Yes, you can still do this affiliate marketing method even if you have never created a video in your life. Are you ready to get started and make money with Digistore24? Then give this video a like. Let's get started with the first step. If you don't have an account with Digistore already, then you need to create an account. I covered all the basics about Digistore24 in a previous video and it's called Digistore for Beginners. Watch that video if you are new to Digistore. Once you have created the account, go to Marketplace to find a profitable product. What is a profitable affiliate product? When it comes to affiliate marketing with Digistore products, you need to look at the cart conversion rate and the cancellation rate. Cart conversion rate is the number of people that actually buy after visiting the sales page. The product must have a high cart conversion rate. The second is a low cancellation rate. Most of these products offer a money back guarantee, so they will buy, but after some time, they ask for a refund. I go for products with a cart conversion higher than 15% and a cancellation rate lower than 6%. You must get this right if you want to succeed in promoting Digistore24 products with video. Moving on to step 2, as I said before, you don't need to film yourself. I'm going to give you the type of videos that work well when promoting Digistore products, and I will also show you the steps you need to do to get it done. While there are many different video styles you can use to make videos, the video style that has worked for me to promote digital products are animated videos with a story that solves a problem. You can use a software like this. This is super easy to use. I will leave the link in the description where you can get it at a discounted price. They also offer a 30-day money back guarantee so you can try it out yourself and of course return it if you don't like it. Just add a background, then you can add various characters, set the duration for the character. Then you can select various animation. Basically, you can create a story for the product you're promoting, add the advantage and then the problem it is solving. If you like to see a detailed video on how to make these type of videos, comment below Digistore video, and if I have at least 20 requests, I will make a future video on this. If you don't want to create videos yourself, then you can use a service like Fiverr. In this blog post, I have explained everything in more detail. I have also added some links to a few Fiverr services I can recommend, so you don't need to waste time looking for a reliable person. When deciding to use the software or the service, think of the return of investment. For example, if you are promoting this Digistore product, then you need at least one sale of this product to cover your costs for the software or the service. You will even make a profit as well with just one sale. But imagine if you get 3 sales with just one video, then your ROI is over 100%. The next step is about how to get free traffic so that you make those sales. But before we move on to step 3, I want to remind you, if you are new to this channel, consider subscribing. I upload videos every Saturday to help you grow your audience and income with video. Go to this free website, you see the amount of visitors it gets each month. How would you like a fraction of that to your affiliate link? This site is called Medium and you can create a free account. Next, you need to find an angle to pitch your affiliate product and then add the video. Medium does not ban content with affiliate links. The exact policy of Medium on publishing content with affiliate link is the following. Basically, you must disclose affiliate links. So write a small description with your affiliate link and then you can embed the video. Often people tend to watch a video rather than read text, and also the conversion is better with video. Now the next step is how you get traffic, and this is by getting the page you just created to rank on Google. So when people search for a phrase related to what you have written on your page, it will show up on the first page of Google. Medium articles rank well on Google, but you need to give an additional boost, and I'm going to give you 2 free websites you can use to do that. I have all the links to these websites in the blog post, to which I will link below. This first website will help your article get indexed by Google fast. Click on this red button and then paste your Medium article link. Give your email and then do the verification and you're done. This next website will get backlinks to your article, which will help increase the rank of your Medium article. Again, paste your Medium article URL. Remember that with free traffic, it will take some time before you see results, and this is just one way to promote Digistore products, and I have created many other ways in the past. So watch those videos as well and see which affiliate marketing method works best for you.